What is Software Development Life Cycle, or being called SDLC? SDLC is a process that produces software with a high quality and the lowest cost that shortest time possible. Software life cycle describes phase of the software cycle in order which those phases are executed. Each phase produces deliverable required by the next phase in the next life cycle. SDLC provides a well-structured flow of phases that help an organization to quickly produce a quality software which is well-tested and ready for production use. SDLC involves in 6 phases, which is first, planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, integration, and lastly, implementation. Next, I will describe all the phases in SDLC. First is requirement gathering and analysis. For the requirement gathering and analysis, business requirements are gathered in this phase. This phase is main focus of the project manager and stakeholder. Meeting with the manager, stakeholder, and user are held in order to determine the requirement like who is going to use the system and how will they use the system and what they show the input into the system. After that, the testing team will follow the SDLC and start the test planning phase after the requirement is analysis is complete. Next is design. In this phase, the system and software design is prepared from the requirements specification which were studied in the first phase. The system design help in specifying hardware and system requirement and also help in defining our system architecture. The system design specification serve as input for the next phase of the model. The next phase is implementation. Under receiving system design document, the work is divided in the module. Since in this phase, the code is produced, so it is the end focus for the developer. This is the longest phase of the software development life cycle. For the fourth phase is testing. After the code is developed, it is tested against the requirement to make sure the product is actually solving the needs addressed and gathered during the requirement phase. During this phase, all types of functional testing like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing are done as well as non-functional testing also done. Next is the fifth phase, which is deployment. After successful testing, the product is delivered or deployed to the customer for their use. As soon as the product is given to the customer, they will first do the beta testing. If any changes are required or if any bugs are caught, they will report to the engineering team. Once the changes are made or the bug fixed, and the final deployment will happen. Lastly is maintenance. Once the customers start using the developed system, then the actual problem comes up and needs to solve from time to time. This is a process where the care is taken for the developed product, which is known as maintenance. That's all.